What's up, bitch? Hey, what's up? First day in Morocco, and it's raining. You're not even gonna welcome me to your city?
Nope.
You're a little bitch.
Mr. George.
Hello.
Yeah, he come here to meet us,
Not you.
to meet brother, not me. Then I will go right now. Okay? And that's all.
Early morning. How are you? How are you? You good?
Yeah. Look at you, little bitch. What's up? Look at you, little bitch.
Welcome to the castle.
We have our own palace. This is our apartment for the night. Look at this place.
Have you spoke with the king of Morocco?
Yeah. This is his place. So update, we're living in this palace and it's very nice. This is the only light that we have. We have no other lights in the whole place. We found this motherfucker on the streets. Who are you?
I'm lost in here.
Who are you? Why are you here?